Sit in right.
I am.
Okay, hold. Oh,
Could you like
go ahead.
stop?
Go ahead. Well, I just wanted to.
I'm not superior.
Okay, and action.
Shut up.
Whoa! Hope you're doing good today. Today we got another mountain house to try out for you. This one is the chicken fried rice.
Yum.
So we'll be getting into that coming right up.
If you hear any background noise, please don't mind it. It's my sister.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you read off the things here.
All right. Happily. So since Grandpa keeps forgetting, I'm going to start with the calories. I will be reading from the single servings column. Calories, 300. Total fat, 9 grams. Saturated fat, 2 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 100 milligrams. Sodium, 800 milligrams. Total carbs, 41 milligrams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 4 grams. Added sugars, 2 grams. Protein, 13 grams.
Cool. And let's see. I'll read your part. No artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors, and no artificial coloring.
Grandpa made me switch seats so he felt superior, so he could feel superior.
I told you she wasn't taller than me.
No, he shrank my seat.
All right. Directions is usual with most of them. Open package, tear at the notches. Remove oxygen absorber. Carefully add 1.5 cups, 12 fluid ounces of boiling water. Stir carefully, close zipper, wait 5 minutes.
We're waiting, of course, more time.
About 8. Stir, reseal, lid set for another 4 minutes.
About 6.
Thank you. And the best by date is March of 2051, and right now we're in 2021. So let's open this up. And you want to open it, or you want me to? I'll let you do it.
I feel, since you took away my superiority, I get to open it.
She totally didn't put the bag.
That's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, I missed some. Oh well.
Yeah. Well, I think you were trying to keep the mountain.
I accidentally kept the mountain.
Oxygen absorber. Let's see. Definitely chunks of chicken there.
Let's
And
hope they...
We never read the ingredients. I'll put it on the screen for you right here, right now.
Because we kind of,
Is there egg in here? Or is that... Oh, that's the seasoning stuff, I think.
Yeah, I think that's who it is.
I'll get a picture of this for you.
Oh, I got a big whiff of it.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
I haven't sniffed it yet.
I can smell it from here, but that's probably because I got a... That's probably because I got a little bit of the dust on his table.
Okay. Like always, one of those pictures should come out.
Somewhere around the screen.
I really don't smell a whole lot.
I had like some of the seasoning on my hand, so I just...
No?
I smell it. It's quite good.
Alright, well, we got the water boiling already, so we'll go get that and get right back to you. Alright, we got our water boiling here. Put some of it in here and stir this up.
He got some new measuring cups.
Yes, I did. Oh, boy, that steam's hot.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Depends on who you ask.
The doctors never agreed. Is your hand okay, I should say?
Yeah. Glasses clogged up.
Don't use your glove glasses.
Oh!
Grandpa,
Yeah, that was smart.
it was the smartest idea I've ever seen.
So smart.
It actually smells quite good.
Yeah, I can smell it now.
It smells amazing. I might like this one. I should really look this
Yeah,
up.
that's egg.
There's egg in it?
We forgot to read these ingredients, so
We can't now because someone told me to rip it. What you're supposed to do. We should have just taken scissors and went shink. But
yes, definitely smells good now. Okay, let me try to get you. Well, I can't believe how fast that fogged up.
wouldn't it be easier to just take a video and just put the video right here? So people can like see it. What's going on?
Ah, maybe. All right, well, we're going to close this up. We're going to wait about 8 minutes, and we'll get back to you.
We're back.
We are. Still not a whole lot of a smell.
Ooh,
It's looking good, though.
it really does.
The peas at this moment don't look like they're reconstituted, but
I remember when you called the fajita something else.
the what?
The fajita. Remember the fajita bowl? The chicken fajita bowl? And you kept
Yeah, what it?
fajita is what you kept calling it.
All right, let's get a picture of this for you.
Go away. No, you. Go. No, you didn't want to be in the video with us. Go away.
That's my other granddaughter. Say hi.
Hi.
Now go away. You didn't want to be in the video. Go.
I will also be trying it later.
No, she won't. She hates vegetables. Dad, Dad, I know you're watching this.
I'll still be.
All right, well, we're going to zip this back up and let it go for 6 minutes this time.
All right. We'll be back after this commercial break. We're back after these messages.
We are?
Yeah, done reported.
All right, well, let's take a look at this and try it out. I don't know, maybe my sniffer's just not working today.
I smell something. I just ate something hot though, so.
All right, well, let's dish some of this up and give it a try.
Is your microphone on?
Yep,
Mine's on.
I never turned mine off. Let me see your bowl. Grab your spoon out.
I heard we were trying food.
Yeah, what's up?
I have come back to try the food.
Are you actually going to try it? There's vegetables in it.
Yes.
Egg.
Egg.
Oh, you're not done.
No, there's still a bunch in here.
I'm eager to try it.
So am I.
I won't spit in the bowl this time.
All right.
Grandpa finally used his noggin and decided to use a pot holder because in his other videos, when we tried these, he complained.
Yes, he did.
I never complain.
There's mushroom. I think.
Paper towel, please. Thank you.
Let me try.
All right. It's your own food.
Leave the bowl here.
Trying to get, not trying to get too big of a bite.
She's a crybaby princess.
Peas got reconstituted good.
I got a carrot in my food and it tasted delicious. Anyways, I'm leaving. Bye.
Bye. Please never come back. Ooh, the chicken. The chicken got reconstituted pretty good. Hot.
Yes, it did. It doesn't have a strong flavor.
It's a little sweet.
Yeah.
So
All I can tell you is that it tastes perfect. Tastes good.
so she already gives it a thumbs up. How many thumbs up? 1 or 2?
5.
You don't have 5 fingers. Wait. You don't.
4.
I'm gonna have to say, 2 thumbs up on this one. I like this.
Hot.
I give it 4 thumbs up.
Okay, we get it. Now go away.
Seems like everything reconstituted well. It does have a very good flavor.
I can't tell if this is mushroom or not.
Try it.
I don't like mushroom.
The mushrooms do have a good flavor to them.
I get it as mushroom.
You can definitely tell it's mushroom. Yeah, 2 thumbs up on this one.
Now we wait for Scott.
1.5. I don't like the mushrooms.
Anyway, like I've always said, go out, pick yourself up some Mountain House, store it away for a rainy day or an emergency or camping or what have you. You know, I've had some people say, those are awful expensive. But you think about it, we're feeding 2 people here. If you were to go to McDonald's or Burger King or something, you would pay a lot more than $8 for 2 people to eat, I think. Depending on
Yeah, you would.
depending on what you get. If you get the dollar menu or whatever, you know, it's cheaper. But anyway, 2 thumbs up for me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button.
Or click a smiling
that.
face.
Click that little bell icon. That way you'll be notified next time we upload a video. And please give us a thumbs up and share it on your social media. That way we'll get more viewers and it'll bring us up in the rankings and they'll be showing our videos more in the feeds. So till next time,
Stay
stay prepared.
We've been working on
Thank you
that.
for stopping by. Have a good day.
Got
You
There, now
son of a gun.
now we're about the same height.
I like